The world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer was announced on 12th of March 2024 by Cognition Labs with name DEVIN. And if you pay close attention to its name, it tells a story. DEVIN. A new dev in the market. DEVIN. So what does it mean for you as a newbie or a senior software engineer? In this video, I will share three main things. First, what DEVIN can do. Second, what DEVIN can't do. And finally, how you can make sure your career as a newbie engineer or as a senior software engineer is AI foolproof. And I will share everything that you need to know, step by step. So let's dive right in. As it's announced on 12th of March 2024, and I have not used it personally, but I did some research on what DEVIN can do, and here is my finding. Autonomous software engineering. DEVIN functions as a fully autonomous AI software engineer. It's capable of planning and executing complex coding tasks that require thousands of decisions, real-time collaboration and feedback. Also in my research, I found DEVIN collaborate with human engineers in real time. It offers updates on its progress and updating the code based on the feedback. And third is advanced learning capabilities. DEVIN can learn new technologies on the fly, expanding its expertise and applications range dynamically. And number four is debugging and problem solving. It has an ability to debug the code and write the print statements, and also it can fix the code. And to support this point, just watch this video from Scott, CEO of Cognition AI, who developed DEVIN.
Here, DEVIN runs into an unexpected error. DEVIN actually decides to add a debugging print statement, reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug.
And now let's jump on the next capability of DEVIN as per the Cognition Lab. Innovative problem solving. It uses sandbox environment including a shell, code editor and browser to tackle and solve engineering challenges creatively. Just watch this.
DEVIN has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser.
And the next point is benchmarking achievements. DEVIN has set new records on coding benchmarks significantly, outperforming previous models in solving real-world GitHub issues. And finally, real-world application success. DEVIN has been successfully applied to real projects, such as website creation and app development, and it received positive feedback from the users. So technically, it can do so much stuff. So what it means for you as a senior software engineer? I can see it's pushing the boundaries of software development. There are certain things that it can do, based on the information available on the net. Again, I'm not talking from a personal opinion. It's the demo available on the web and the website's claims about the DEVIN. But there are certain things that it can't do. So let's have a quick look on those. First, understanding deep context or the full meaning of code. Right now, DEVIN is still learning. It can't fully grasp the deeper learning of what it's coding. This means it can execute the code, but can't understand what it's doing. So there's a definitely missing layer of understanding and contextual applications that is missing in the DEVIN. And second point that DEVIN can't do, replace human creativity and innovation. Again, this point is from the official website of DEVIN. What they're saying, DEVIN is designed to work alongside human engineers rather than replace them. With DEVIN, engineers can focus on more interesting problems and engineering teams can strive for more ambitious goals. So if you ask me, DEVIN is a productivity tool, right? So you can use it to boost your productivity and you can focus on more complex problems. So it's not here to replace you. And finally, the next point is fully autonomous software engineer without human intervention. It seems DEVIN is quite advanced, but still it can't work without human intervention. It can't understand the project scope. It can't make the goals. It can't make the deadlines. It's you who are going to decide all these things. And this point is really make absolute sense to me. DEVIN can only be as good as the person using it. They are not here to replace us, but to assist us. Let me ask you one question, very simple question. What do you think, who can use tools like DEVIN? Someone who has never coded before or a software developer? What do you think? DEVIN operates based on specific human commands. It cannot set goals. While AI is here to automate some of the programming tasks, not to replace the programmers. And here's the next big question. How can you make your career AI-proof? How can you ensure you're secure and stand out from the 99%? What are the most important skills for you? Which skills are crucial? I'm creating a video to boost your confidence and guide your skills in a new direction. I will share with you a video in the next few weeks. I started my career from zero, without mobile phone, without laptop, without a computer. And in 10 years, I achieved so much in my life just because of coding. If I can do it, you can do it, period. So the first question is, coding should be easy for you. If coding is hard, then here's a video you can watch. Coding was hard until I learned 3 things. And thanks for watching.